Alright, what's up guys? As you can see it is, wait, you can't see it, 950. Already secured 600 on the day. Not gonna lie, the first day yesterday I took 2 weeks off of trading on the last 2 weeks of December, so I waited for a fresh new week to be trading again, and I was able to bring out a win today within like the first, I don't know, 20 minutes. So looking into today, what I was looking at, um, where is it? Here we go. 1-7 today. I didn't write too much today, but gonna be mostly watching rejects and trend lines today. Um, what I was focusing on was SPY, was these two trend lines, this reject and this bounce. This trend line was made on the 5 and 15 minute, and then this one was on the hourly. I'm willing to wait for that one later, but if you saw in the recording, I actually don't even know what I was gonna say, but basically looking into the pre-market today, just this section right here, there was a trend line that was developed, and I was just waiting for the touch of this. Really, if you know me and how I trade, I'm always super excited when there's a trend line developed in the pre-market. And as far as, I'm kind of upset that I missed this reject. Now, I didn't chart it correctly on SPY nor SPX. I charted 6003 and completely ignored that 6000 was a whole psych level. Yeah. Um, and look at that bearish candle on that SPX. But yeah, that was really essentially it. Just there was a 5 minute trend line. I guess reasons that gave me like confidence in hopping in on this. If you do look back in the recording, I am a little, I didn't scale in properly. I either scaled in too late and then late again, so my average wasn't great. But usually when you have candles, two red candles coming down, you have these two red candles and then some sort of pullback. So once we officially made two red candles down, I was waiting for at least some sort of relief. So it happened pretty much right on the end of the 5 minute of this candle, and QQQ was also looking like it was having a double bar setup. So what I mean by that is right here, this right here, just like a clean double bar like that, right? Like very common for a reversal. So once I saw this and I had this trend line marked out, which in my experience, the first technical usually works out. So the 6000 SPX reject, and then the first two. After that, I feel like you're gambling, like right here. It's just going wish-washy. But I think we got like some good volume on the 2 minute. Yeah, look at that, increasing green volume. And yeah, that was essentially it. Just 5 minute trend line. Waited for the exhaustion of the two red candles down. Was expecting a pullback. Saw a double bar reversal setup on QQQ, increasing green volume on the 2 minute. And I just held for the first push, trimmed on the first strength, and then it looked like it was going to pull back on me, so I took off one contract and was willing to hold the rest. Kind of upset that I didn't hold the last two, so trimmed half, took off another half, and then once I had my last contract, I just trailed my stop. That was it. Pretty much it. 632 on the day. Um, Not my biggest day, but I'm entirely okay with that. It could have been way more if I would have averaged better into the position, but hey, what can you do? It's 9:55. Probably gonna go to the gym, relieve the mind a little bit, and keep it steady until the next day or for the rest of the year. Just let these wins add up. Alright then. Okay, just like how I missed the other recording. I mean, said on the other recording that I was gonna take this position if whoopsie, not that. Well, essentially that bounce right there, which happened right here. Caught it, caught some of it. Now 841 on the day. Sick. Yeah, it was crazy because I opened up my video editor and then I got the signal while I was like listening to the recording and boom, that's where we at. 841 on the day. Just went one contract, risking $100. All I needed. Good Tuesday. Alright, people. Catch you on the next one.